everyone! Welcome back to my channel. And for this video, I'm going to show you everything I got here in the Philippines that I'm going to be bringing back to Dublin. My flight is in 2 days, I think. My luggage is almost ready. I just wanted to show you everything I got here in the Philippines that I'm going to be taking with me to Dublin. It's because some of the items I bought here are not available in Dublin or is cheaper here in the Philippines. First off, oh my gosh, sobrang magulo na siya. Like, ang daming times ko na nag-attempt mag-film ng haul video, pero hindi ko siya ma-post because laging mali yung position ng camera, like sometimes hanggang dito lang. So this time, I made sure na medyo hanggang here. Okay, whatever. It's been a long time since I filmed a vlog because nahiya ako dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya ito na lang, sit-down vlog na lang. So this is my very first sit-down vlog. So this is a Lazada, Uniqlo, Megamall, Human Nature, and Mr. DIY Japan Home Center haul. Welcome! First thing that I got from Lazada is an iPad Pro 11 inches case and a tempered glass. Wala akong iPad Pro, pero nung binili ko to, sobrang gusto ko ng iPad Pro. And now, napag-isipan ko na hindi na ako bibili ng iPad Pro. Anyway, and then another thing that I got is this one. So this is lanyera for leche flan. Because it's cheaper here, this is 18 pesos per piece. If you buy this in Europe, I think it's more than 1 euro per piece. Another product that I got is this Bello Kojic Plus Tranexamic Acid Extra Moisture. Although I haven't really tried this one, but I'm gonna give it a go since it's 12 pieces na and mura lang to sa Lazada. And then I also got this. Oh my god, why is it? Okay, akala ko dalawa na lang. I bought 6 of these. This is the underarm whitening cream. I use this on my underarm and sa elbows ko kasi nag-iitim siya. This memory card because ang mahal nito sa ibang bansa. I also got a lot of hair accessories. Some of these were binili ni Mama for me. So yeah, a lot of hair accessories. These travel perfume bottles. I also got this leather strap for my camera. I also got a case for my camera, and I also bought a tripod for the camera. So I bought the Ulanzi MT44 tripod, which I'm using right now. It's kind of malaki siya, hindi siya handheld talaga, but it's tawag dito, ano siya, travel, whatever. Ano yun? Portable naman siya kahit pa paano, pero medyo malaki siya if magbo-vlog ka, halatang nagbo-vlog ka. So I'm thinking of getting a GoPro. So I bought socks. Iba-ibang socks pinili ko. So I bought foot socks and this long socks na makapal for the winter days. And then I bought these socks na medyo manipis. And then my mom got me these socks from Mr. DIY or Japan Home Center. Mura lang daw yan. And then in our Monito Monita sa family ni Lance, socks din yung ni-request ko. Hindi ko alam, pero super happy ko talaga sa mga socks, lalo na if cute sila. Aside from that, I got these mesh bags, laundry mesh bags para sa mga delicates mo if i-laundry mo sila. And then, meron pang this one. This one is a special one. This one is for the bra. Yeah, pag i-washing machine. Pag i-washing machine mo yung underwear mo. So, this is from Uniqlo. I got these, oh my god, these fleece heat tech sweaters. So I got this one kasi na-try ko na ito before and nakaka-warm talaga siya. And this is the only sweater that I got from Uniqlo. Kasi hindi ko siya masyadong gusto, pero I feel obliged to buy. So, binili ko na lang siya kasi walang Uniqlo sa there. Uniqlo Heat Tech leggings. And this is two Uniqlo Heat Tech long sleeves. Marami na akong ganyan, but puro sila turtleneck and polka dots and floral. So if turtleneck siya, kita siya, tapos ang hirap niya magayan. So hindi ko din masyado nagamit unless naka-turtleneck ka din. I also bought pajama sets from Baleno. So I got two. So this one is a koala one and this is a polar bear. It's so cute. Dati ko pa gusto bumili yun. Pero namamahalan ako. Pero ngayon, afford ko na. Okay. And then, for the grocery, should I open this up pa? Kasi medyo... Sana panoorin nyo, di ba? Kasi nag-impake na ako, tapos nilalabas ko pa para lang ipakita. Anyway. Pamakita mo pa ba? So, bumili ako ng shrimp cubes for the pancit. And then, I bought this Shin Ramyun shrimp flavor. Ooh, ang sarap nito. It's not spicy. First time ko ito natikman, nag-outing kami ng mga workmates ko sa Antipolo. Tapos, sabi-sahan ng friend ko na try ko daw. So, ang sarap. Oh my God. Nagdala din ako ng Scotch Brite. Ewan ko kung may Scotch Brite ba doon, pero yung mga sponge namin, ang bilis nila masira. Magic Sarap, meron naman doon, pero mas mura here. And then, bumili din ako ng mga nesty. And then, mga tang juice. Hindi ko napapansin because medyo maayos na sila. I bought Aquazor towels. I'm obsessed with Aquazor towels. If sa mga Christmas party, I will either request for this Aquazor towel or socks. Hindi ko alam, pero previously, nung nagte-training pa ako, ito talaga yung tawag ko because manipis lang siya, hindi siya mabigat sa bag, it's super portable, and mabilis siya matuyo. Mabilis din siya matuyo. Bumili ako kasi dalawa lang yung ganyan ko, diba? Tapos sabi ko, obsessed ako sa Aquazor towels, tapos dalawa lang yung ganyan ko. Obsessed ba yun? So, I really enjoyed my stay here in the Philippines. I visited a lot of different places. I went to Dumaguete with Lance and his family. I went to Bohol with my family and Lance. I went to Boracay with my family, which was super nice. Out of all the three places, Dumaguete, Bohol, and Boracay, pinakagusto ko yung Bohol. Sorry, pero yung sa Boracay kasi nagkaroon ako tapos ang sungit ko. Naruin na yung buong trip, pero tinry ko naman maging nice. Alam mo yun, pero sometimes people are testing you. Sa Boracay kasi, parang wala masyadong magawa. I don't know. I didn't. Medyo na-bored ako, honestly. Pero at least, I can finally say, I have been to Boracay. So I'm gonna move to the to the human, oh my God. I'm gonna move to the human nature hall. Okay. Hi. These are everything I got from Human Nature. So for those of you who don't know, Human Nature is it's a Filipino brand that specializes in using natural ingredients in their skincare products. Also, Human Nature donates a portion of their proceeds to Gawad Kalina, the charity. Basta yun. It's for a good cause. So, it can't be Human Nature without their sunflower oil. This one lightens dark spots and more. And then I also bought Human Nature Sunflower Eye Cream. Ang effect niya sa akin is parang nagigising ako. So, parang nare-relieve yung eyes ko. So, I use it in the morning when I wake up. And then, I bought 2 lotions. I also got this foot spray. Because, you know, this is the new product. I'm trying it currently. So this is their gel day moisturizer and night cream. I haven't tried the night cream yet. I tried the day cream and so far okay naman. If you made it this far, I hope you like this video. Leave a comment and subscribe down below and let me know if meron pa akong nakalimutan or if you have any suggestions na bilhin ko. Let me know. Although, medyo excess baggage na. Thank you so much for watching. So that is it for the Lazada, Human Nature, Megamall, and Uniqlo haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye. Oh my gosh, I need to leave now. Bye, 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 bye.